Be kind and be vegan. Unless you are attacked, in which case, fight back.
Instagram, Instagram, what is new on Instagram?
Hello students, welcome to class. I want you to follow this account on Instagram, vegan_giant_Andy. Andy is an animal rights activist from Australia, and I'm going to show you a video where he is being attacked. So to begin with, we see here that Andy is standing there and they are peacefully protesting. They are wearing shirts that say, not being vegan is not okay, but all of the signs that they're carrying are against violence. They are saying, be vegan, not violent. And this person came up to them and started stepping on their posters. She blew smoke into Andy's face and was taunting him. This apparently is her cousin. At one point she says that's her cousin. I don't know if that's true or not. And Andy is doing the right thing in the sense that he is not fighting back initially. And she keeps going. I'll let you listen a little bit. Let's go back to the beginning. So she says, I'm already getting locked up. So she knows that she is on probation, already going to go to jail. So she figures, why not? Might as well just keep doing harm. Doesn't care. She says, I've dealt with people like you, blows smoke into his face, and he says, don't touch our shit. So she partakes in property damage. She's stepping on their signs. She says, I will get off with mental health, meaning I will say I'm mentally unstable and therefore the society will not keep me in jail for too long, because she's sort of trying to claim that it's not her fault that she's the way she is. You see the sign here? It says, be vegan, not violent. This is Andy in Australia, Andy Faulkner. So one of the helpers there is going to pick up the flowers, but she's not trying to stop the young woman. Meanwhile, Andy is trying to call police while getting attacked. Why are these people not calling police? Why are these people standing around watching her assault him and not helping?
Call vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile, it's something you should buy.
They saw her pushing him, continues to stand there. The problem with our society is that there are crazy people there. There are people who do bad things. But what is worse is the people who look on and do nothing. So she drops her vape. Not sure why he says it's illegal. I guess she's not allowed to have it at her age. He grabs it because she's been using it to blow smoke directly in his face. And at this point, who knows, she might have been preparing to throw it at him as some sort of a weapon. She picks up her vape and she looks horrified. Meanwhile, he's still trying to get hold of the police. Give me my fucking vape, she says.
You're not trying at all.
I don't know what they're talking about with you're not trying. I don't know who's saying what to who. Again, she's swinging. We have somebody here who is filming, which is important. We need people to film these events so that when she is in front of a judge, there is some tape that can be shown. But if people are not filming, they shouldn't just be standing there watching their friend get hit. The vegan won't hand her a weapon to throw vape or blow in face. Okay, to throw or vape to blow in face. Okay. So there she goes, kicking the things again, stepping on the posters. somebody comes here. I don't know who this is, if this is a friend of hers or what, but this person seems to be trying to take her by the back of the shirt to pull her away. Now here's where she punches him in the stomach. She punches him with her left fist in his stomach. This person is trying to take her away. I don't know, again, who this person is, whether she knows her or she's just somebody who's being really brave. And Andy's writing down on the screen here that she apparently broke all her probation conditions on June 14th, 2025. So I guess he's documenting this so that people will know about it. She keeps punching him repeatedly, pulling on him, trying to rip his shirt, I guess. And again, continues. Her friend is trying to pull her away, or this other person is, which is the right thing to do. Keeps pulling, and then she goes down. Andy did not push her down. Her friend or helper here managed to get her away from the scene. And now we're going in a circle. Apparently she had already been there for quite a while, hassling him and the activists before this scene even happened. So what do we have here? We have a society that is completely backwards, that so many people watch this violence and do nothing. We have a society that is uncaring, society that has raised people to be essential monsters. This is supposedly her cousin, this is what she said, just standing there. You have the activists over here wearing white, holding flowers, having a funeral for the animals. That is the protest that they're doing here. It's a peaceful protest. And they have a poster here, for example, that says, "Rest in peace to the animals who have been eaten in the meat, dairy, and egg industries." And they're trying to show people that we need to have compassion in the world. And for some reason, this was triggering to this person.
It's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. Even if your lips are quivering, even if your knees won't stop shaking, innocent victims are dying. So never let the bullies shut you up. Never, never give up. It's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. Even if your friends don't understand, even if they let go of your hand, you're on the right side of history. You're brave in ending so much misery, 'cause you have empathy. It's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. Never mind the petty insults, never let them penetrate. Vegan phobic carnage are just jealous that you're so great. God is looking down, and when he sees you, he smiles. You make his round turn upside down. You can stay brave, so stand straight and stand tall. The animals need you so you can survive, and all your heart is good and pure. I'm here to remind you, you were born vegan so you can endure. Look me in the eyes, I'm telling you, I'm sure it's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway. It's normal to be scared. Vegan phobia is real. Feel the fear but speak out anyway.
So, if you are this person ever and there's a situation, your job is to grab her by the shirt and pull her away. If you are in a situation like that where you are doing a display and you see one of your friends being attacked, you either film or you help. You try to stand in the way. You don't pick up the flowers. Your friend is being attacked. Do not stop to pick up the plastic flowers. It's time to change gear now. Now, I understand that these things happen very quickly and it's really hard to figure out what to do in the moment. But there you have it. This is a very obvious example of vegan phobia. Vegan phobia from her, vegan phobia from the onlookers. And let's see what happens. We'll follow up. Subscribe for more.
Veganism isn't extreme.